My name is Mike. This is the hot seat. Your modern day warrior, back again, telling you what's up, what's down, what's black, what's white. Now, folks, basically I do political stuff and uncover some truths about, certain stuff like, how income tax is a total fraud and how Obama's a fraud and things of that nature. Well, the list can just go on and on and on. We have a federal law that blatantly discriminates against men. And this law is called the Breast and Cervical Cancer Prevention and Treatment Act. Although it is a well-established medical fact that men get breast cancer, Medicaid, the health insurance program for low-income and disabled Americans, won't provide coverage for some of them. Last month, Raymond Johnson, a 26-year-old single South Carolina man, discovered he was one of the estimated 2,100 men who are diagnosed with the disease each year. And if you break that down, folks, it's just under 6 men per day that are diagnosed with breast cancer. Mr. Johnson, a tradesman who made $9 an hour, worked for a small outfit that did not provide health coverage. With a bad economy, he only worked about 30 hours a week and couldn't afford private health insurance. See, that's one of the scams that corporate America is doing now. Instead of giving you full-time hours and then required to give you health benefits, what they do is they don't terminate you so they have to pay unemployment and all of that stuff. No, they shave down your hours so that they don't have to give you health care benefits. Since he didn't qualify for the traditional Medicaid, they say he makes too much. He was urged by the hospital where he is receiving care to apply for help under, again, the Breast and Cervical Cancer Prevention and Treatment Act. The eligibility rules for coverage under the Act are complex. Gee, what federal law or state law these days that could possibly help people? What isn't complicated? But Johnson met all the criteria medically, except one. He's not a woman. We want to cover this guy, says the hospital, but we simply can't. Folks, I thought justice was blind. I thought all men, meaning really mankind, men and women, were created equal. I thought all our laws were to help every citizen. But apparently we have one that singles out men. And I would love to know what Obama and his Obamacare nitwits think about laws like this. Folks, this is something that needs to be changed. Almost 6 men every day are diagnosed with breast cancer. And people, men, without health coverage can't even get help. My name is Mike. This is the hot seat.